Rotaries have always been obviously something I've loved, I've followed, I've watched at Calder Park racing, their distinct sound. Hi, my name's Ertan and I drive a 1976 Mazda RX3. This particular car I purchased off a friend of mine, which was painted in this awesome colour, which drew me to the car, and then obviously it snowballed into what it is today. It's got a Billet 13B motor built by Mazworks. It's got a G45 Garrett Turbo, C4 auto from Al's Race Glides. All the fabrication diff is by Jamie from Full Flight Engineering, and most of the parts supplied obviously is from Tuner's Edge in Coburg. I built the car obviously like it's an extension of myself, you know. I love building cars. I've got a few cars. I love racing. I love going fast. And yeah, just a passion of mine. My passion for cars is obviously the community and the people that it brings together. That community, you know, most of the time is a good community to be around, to you know, show each other your builds, to appreciate other people's builds, for people to appreciate your builds. I think that sense of community is something I hold really highly. I've always been a part of it. I grew up in it. I love them. I breathe cars, I dream cars, I drive cars. Yeah. Other than my passion for cars, I own my own kebab shop. Have owned it for 8.5 years, yeah, since 2015. Also do a little bit of music producing on the side, more of a hobby thing. You know, it's taken off a little bit. I love BMXs, I collect BMXs, mid-school BMXs, and yeah. Have I integrated my music into a music video? Yes, we have, with a good friend of mine, Francesco Cesario, with his awesome media company. We made a short film which got nominated for an award. It was out of this world. It was an experience that I've never experienced before. He's a magician.